Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to off talkback on infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. When you click on setting, you have to double tap. Okay, just tap it double. When you tap on it, here you have to scroll, so you can't with one finger, so you have to scroll with two finger. Okay, you just keep scrolling, and here on the last you are going to find, not on the last, just like a last option only, and here is the special option, so you have to click on this special option. Just click on it, then tap double. Then here again you have to scroll a little bit. Here is the accessibility, click on accessibility, then tap double, click on talkback. So scroll, here is the talkback, click on it, tap double, then click on use talkback icon, tap double, then click on stop, then tap double. Here the the talkback has been stopped. Okay, you can off it like that. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.